14 years of dedication, countless hours of hard work, a flawless record of achievement for Miss Shane. These promotions seem predictable. A promotion, a simple enough concept, but within the walls of the company, the search of advancement becomes a complex game of the power.
Miss Ibanez,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please get Miss Galing and Mr. Bacuerfo?
Noted, ma'am.
Good morning, Miss Lani.
Mr. Bagarfo, Miss Galing, office po, please. Yes, sir.
So as you know, we're here to discuss about the marketing manager position. Both of you have expressed interest, and I've reviewed your applications and performance records.
Thank you, ma'am. I've been with the company for 10 years at nararapat ako ma-promote para maging manager.
Ah, Naiintindihan ko po si Mrs. Galing based sa experience niya po. Pero kahit ganun po, tinitake ko naman po ang mga new challenges dito sa company natin. Especially sa marketing role manager. At bilik po akong mag-adapt at confident din po ako sa mga abilities ko. At syempre, fast learners po ako at may critical thinking din po ako na may ambag po dito sa company po natin.
Mr. Bacuerfo, your enthusiasm is commendable. However, your tenure is significantly shorter than Ms. Galing, and your qualifications, while adequate, don't quite match your experience.
I agree with you, ma'am. My experience directly addresses the challenges of this role.
This is a difficult decision, Ms. Galing. Your qualifications are undeniable. However, the board is keen to go on promoting fresh perspective and injecting new energy into the marketing department.
With all due respect, ma'am, my experience ay nararapat talaga sa posisyon.
I understand Mrs. Galing's point. Naiintindihan ko po siya. I won't take any longer or that position, ma'am. At para sa akin, mas karapat-dapat po siya para sa position na yun. Since siya naman po yung mas matagal sa akin at parang senior ko na din po siya. Yun lang po siguro yung masasabi ko po.
The board's decision is final. I'm very sorry, Ms. Galing. Mr. Bacuerfo, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. While I'm so disappointed, but I will continue to contribute to the company's success.
This highlights the gender bias in the promotion decision. The manager justified for choosing Philip despite Ms. Galing superior qualification points directly to the problem. The subtle reaction of both participants, Philip and Ms. Galing, add layers to complicity to situation. This allows for discussion about fair employment practices and the importance of merit bias promotions.
A few moments later.
Thank you, ma'am. I've been with the company for 10 years. Consistent
Balik!
consistent
Balik!
consistently
Balik ka! Consist! Consent. Thank you for watching and listening. That's all. Thank you, guys.